Once upon a time, in a quiet little village nestled between hills and forest, there lived a kind-hearted boy named Timmy. Timmy was known for his generosity, always helping others and making sure no one felt left out. But despite his cheerful spirit, Timmy carried a little sadness in his heart. Timmy's greatest wish was to have a true adventure, one filled with magic and wonder. Just like the stories he read about in his favorite books, he would often sit by the edge of the forest, gazing up at stars, hoping that one day, something extraordinary would happen. One evening, while walking by the river, Timmy stumbled upon an old, rusty lamp half buried in the sand. Curious, he picked it up and gave it a little rub. Suddenly, a burst of light filled the air, and from the lamp emerged a gentle, sparkling fairy with wings as delicate as a butterfly. "Thank you for freeing me, Timmy," fairy said, her voice as soft as the breeze. "I am guardian of wishes. For your kindness and pure heart, I will grant you one last wish." Timmy's eyes widened in awe. "One wish?" he asked, his mind racing with all the things he could ask for: fame, riches, or even superpowers. But deep down, he knew exactly what he wanted. "I wish for an adventure, something that will take me to faraway lands and teach me something new," Timmy exclaimed. The fairy smiled. "Your wish is granted." In the blink of an eye, Timmy found himself soaring through the skies on the back of a golden dragon. They flew over mountains and oceans, through enchanted forests, and across shimmering deserts. Timmy marveled at the beauty of the world, encountering talking animals, playful sprites, and mysterious creatures. But the greatest part of his adventure was the friendships he made along the way. In a distant kingdom, Timmy met a young princess named Lila, who was brave and clever. Together, they solved puzzles, battled mischievous trolls, and restored peace to a village under a sleeping spell. As the sun set on the final day of his adventure, the fairy reappeared. "Timmy, your wish has come to an end. It is time to return home." Though sad to leave, Timmy knew that his adventure had changed him forever. He had learned that true magic wasn't just in the grand journeys, but in the kindness, bravery, and friendships made along the way. Back in his village, Timmy kept the memories of his magical journey close to his heart, and he continued to help others with an even bigger smile. And whenever he looked up at the stars, he knew that somewhere out there, a new adventure was waiting, just around the corner.